So CJ's on his way. I think we're just gonna meet at Wawa because he's running a little late and I'm hungry. I'm literally running on like 2 hours of sleep. CJ decided to not go to sleep. We literally have a full day ahead of us. Like the first meet that we're going to is at 8 a.m. or we're supposed to, it starts at 8. We'll probably get there like 8:30. And then the last meet of the day is it starts at 8 p.m. That one, we've never been to that one before. We've been to the morning one before. This night meet that we're going to was invite only, and we got invited. So we're looking forward to that one. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Oh my gosh, we're here, bro. Look what's behind Dylan. The one behind him's on B-Locks and has slicks. There's the one behind him. What is this Mustang doing with all of these Corvettes? This isn't a Corvette.
Good morning, sir. Oh, am I parked in the Corvette line? Hey, oh wait, no, there's another white GT down there. That's right, I thought it was him.
Look at that, Dylan.
Oh, wait, that's the thing that we saw in Virginia Beach, I swear.
Yeah, the Ford GT.
Yeah.
Alright, CJ.
Officer Dylan?
Oh, is that the new?
Oh, are we recording?
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's... Oh, the hair.
What is
it could
this?
be worse.
Where's the hair?
I
not
like
great.
the
Oh, yeah, my
this
haircut.
is
Where's the-
Academy cut.
Oh, we got the Porsches right here. GT3 RS, VRR nut. Oh my gosh. Look at, here, let's get what's pulling in. Got CJ's race car right here.
Yes.
Oh.
Don't mind the fallen
Wait, so you got...
door panel insert, but
Oh, it's just one seat?
yeah, just for now.
Oh, did you get... You haven't put the other one in? Oh, wait.
No, I just got one.
Oh. What happened to... Oh, did you put a rear seat deleter?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, I got...
Fuck those seats.
Wait, did you add that harness bar?
Why is there... Bro has an actual walkie-talkie. We tried to get it going, but it didn't work.
I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna say.
We should try to figure that out.
Wait, this is comfy.
C6 over there.
Oh, they took your car.
I'm jealous. I want a racing seat. already.
I was pretty jealous too, considering he got one as the driver, and I sit in the passenger seat. And I
What do you mean? You got comfortability.
No, that's true. I don't think I'd get a passenger seat.
Huh?
Me personally, I would only get the driver's seat.
You're lucky I don't even take out the seat and just leave it.
Just take out her seat.
Yeah, just take a seat. Weight reduction.
okay, like what?
A one-seater Mustang.
Can we get this on him? Mr. Officer Dylan? Officer Dylan? Bro, isn't like Starbucks? Can we get a review of why we like
That's my
Starbucks?
name and badge number.
You don't even have a
Well, now I
phone
want-
number yet.
Damn.
Oh, he doesn't even have one yet. He doesn't have one yet.
You said you're still Dylan.
You
Dude.
get it when you become an employee.
That's what I thought.
No, I have one. I'm not gonna say it out loud because then you're gonna say good boy. I'm not
How does he know? How does he know?
Cause he literally do that all the time.
Mickey, you should actually do that.
I will.
They're already clean, so it wouldn't be that.
Yeah.
No, where are they going? They just got here.
They have to go in through there.
Oh. Send this shit to Ian and tell him he missed out.
No, he's actually gonna get like so mad.
Is he gonna drop?
Satin red.
Bro, can we get rollers of the dog?
No, I'm not doing burnout. Why are you laughing? Do I look stupid? They were laughing at me in the other car. It's not as is this as bad as a head mount or better? Exactly, I don't want to wear a head mount. And they're just walking away because they don't care about me. Oh my gosh. Guys, this mall has an upper layer. That's crazy. This place is crazy. Is this what like every inch of LA is like?
No, LA is, man, magic. Don't even, wow, bringing tears to my eyes. The great summer of 2016. Oh man, you just had to be there.
Oh, I was playing
Santa
Minecraft.
Monica with the waffle cone.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what that
Feeling
is.
the waves just hitting your face. Actual waves, none of this bullshit y'all got on the East Coast.
All right, show us your training.
Marissa, this made me think of you.
Why?
Yeah.
About the actual.
Go crazy, go crazy. Take him out, Dylan.
Wait, how do I use it?
You press it and it takes a second. There you go. Ah!
Wait, can't you double tap?
You got it.
Yeah, that's low-key light work. Yo, what's good? Sorry, I'm busy tonight.
You win.
Golden raspberry, charged TM, hyper potions.
Dylan.
get this for me?
No. Looks like shit. Okay, I know, right?
Look. Oh, it's a shiny.
Wait, I got this.
It's actually a
No, I
shiny.
have
Wait,
to-
wait. Give it a golden raspberry. Give it a golden raspberry.
Okay, wait, hold on. I actually have practice.
It's a
Hold on.
worm.
Can you get me this worm?
That's not a worm.
Isn't that hilarious?
Oh,
What?
A little bit higher.
The one from SpongeBob.
What? Dude, okay, I'm just gonna... Dude, that hit him! Mickey.
Yeah, we did get good spots. What is this, a Z or a Grand Sport? It's a Z06. Yeah, that paint looks crazy.
With a carbon roof.
Yeah.
This is like a good spot to stand.
Oh. Yeah, because you kind of get surprised with what's coming up. These BMWs have been growing on me. Oh my gosh. The right-hand drive.
Where is he leaving? Oh, sure. No, that's the
Oh, he's with us?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I thought he was security.
He's filming.
Well, you don't know. Security could think it's cool.
Bro, speed bumps. I need to see this man come.
Oh, Dylan's calling. Hello? Bro, there's cops blocking and people are revving like crazy. And we're just blocked.
There's 3 cops at the exit of the building.
Bro, this is crazy. People don't care. Yeah, I know it. It's probably most of RPD here. Oh my god, bro. I see it.
They just want to go before there's a cop in case people stay back. There's 3 cops. There's more over here, and there's more cops outside. Holy shit!
Holy shit, bro. This is crazy. Dude, they're going up there. I'm filming all of it. I'm filming all of it. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, there's a cop here.
This street's open.
Hey.
Why are you driving your dad's car?
I'm not. Bro came for me. He said, why are you driving your dad's car?
He does like 10 cops. See ya.
See ya. Chad, this is crazy. This is like one of my first meets in Richmond. This is crazy. So I'm actually editing this video over a year late. I don't know why I kind of just like didn't really have the motivation, but I have probably like 4 videos I could post, so I'm gonna start editing stuff to catch up. I'm gonna get all this stuff edited, posted, even though it's all super late. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and God bless.